Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.7% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Better than expected economic data in Germany and gains in US mega-cap growth stocks helped push world stock markets broadly higher, while bond yields remained flat as investors waited for the Federal Reserve's annual Jackson Hole meeting for insights into the central bank's plans to combat inflation. The US government's latest effort to crack down on the illicit use of cryptocurrency by rogue foreign regimes and criminals is running into resistance from the industry itself, including one of its largest and most influential players, Tether. The euro briefly rebounded back above parity with the dollar as the US currency's recent rally ran out of steam, and investors waited to see whether Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell would sound a more hawkish tone at a symposium this week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT. The French consumer confidence will be released at 0645 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.